let's get started with 9 must-haves in our kitchen. Number 1 is our fresh fruits, which we should opt and go for. I don't prefer exotic fruits now anymore in my kitchen. I go for the local foods which are made in our own India and they are seasonal. So prefer them and use them. Second must have is this rice. These are grains, oats. These are all grains which you can use and opt because they are very healthy, loaded with vitamins and minerals. Now comes your clarified butter. As I've already discussed you and told you about this, this is very beneficial for several things. So why go for local? Let's go for local. Next is milk. Milk is very essential for your health and it's very good to consume. It's good for your bones and good for your health. Are nuts. You can have them, but how much you should have, that you should ask your dietitian. Are Indian spices, which should never be ignored. So please have them as much as you can. They are again very beneficial for your health. Our next is natural sweetener. So opt for this instead of artificial sweeteners. Seeds. Seeds are loaded with antioxidant properties. Use them on your toppings, juices and your salads. Any kind of seeds. Next comes your nut butter, which you should consume because it is loaded with protein. Then comes our legumes, lentils. I have lots of legumes, lentils in my kitchen. Use them, they are very good, believe me. These are all must-haves in your kitchen which I have and I use them. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye till then.